In this tutorial, it's one of the most important things that you can do, which is changing the password to your device. Now, this is one of the first things that you should do before you go ahead and do anything else to ensure that your device is not discoverable on your network and also along on the internet. So let's jump in and get started. As you can see, I'm on the summary page. I'm going to go right ahead and I'm going to go to the settings tab. Once I get to the settings tab, you can see that on the left hand side I have multiple options here, which is the general, connectivity, server integration and system administrator. As default, we open up on the general, but we're going to go to the system administrator. Now, the first thing that you would need to do is go to password checking, and you need to make sure that your password checking is enabled, which it is. And the default password for any of our units is admin and public. That's for the username and the password. So now that we've got that enabled, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the user and group management, and we're going to select our administrator and then select properties. From here, we now have our username and our password, and we can confirm the password. So for this one, we can basically go ahead and we can just change this, and we'll just change this to a different password. In this instance, we'll change it to testing, and we'll match it up with the same password, testing. So that now should match what it does, and you can see that the highlight has now disappeared, and we'll just go to finish. And would you like to end this user session after finish? We'll click OK. Fantastic. So now that's done, and if we log off, we'll now be presented with the login menu in which we would log in with our new username and password. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. This tutorial applies to the securityProbe-5E-S. It also applies to the 5E-SV, along with the X20 and X60 variations, and also the securityProbe-5E. Thanks for listening.